Oghene, Kene Woro, Evang nebo me Woro raide. Oghene, Agerona yo. Sing.
Oghene, Kene Woro,
Evang nebo me Woro raide. Hey,
Oghene, Agerona.
when you greet your future with a smile, success will smile at you. Oghene, Kene Woro, Evang nebo me Woro raide. Hey, Oghene, Agerona yo. Sing with me.
Oghene, Kene Woro,
Evang nebo me Woro raide. Yes.
Oghene, Agerona.
Solo Kings, you are the cradle of gospel instrumentation in the Niger Delta. Call your children, Ebruke and Ayobo, to do something about timber. Kene, time and tide, wait for no man. If you praise a killer of God today, tomorrow he will kill a cow. Nothing is enough. To whom enough is too little. Kene Woro, hey, Evang nebo me Woro raide. Hey, Oghene, Agerona. Are you singing now? Kene Woro, Evang nebo me Woro raide. Yes. Shama, 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 shama. Who am I seeing over there? If you are praising God with me, I want you to clap your hands to the glory of God. You need to stand firm on the ladder of praise. Kene, praise is the only weapon that moves God. Let's sing on it. Shama, shama, shama. Oghene, Kene Woro yo. Evang nebo me Woro raide no. Oghene, Agerona. Are you singing now? Evang nebo me Woro raide. The bishop of God's ministry, Daddy, as you promise not to disappoint God, God is there for you 24 hours. Now, over to evangelist to Walogo. Goods. Listen, I am mandated by evangelist Oghene Okoro, aka Oguna. Dane, you are the seed of Abraham, package for success, an envelope for pure destiny. What is Are you there, Elizabeth? Let's go. Hey! Huh? The Lord has said, I pray day and night. That is the El Shaddai God, the omnipotent God, the bush that burneth and never consumed. Are you singing, Elizabeth? anything won't open unless you push. The pressure will come up, give me the song.